Okay, once we have done section 5, we now go to the next, which is the drawing. Now, notice that the drawing is 11 by 17 in size. So, we're going to place the drawing, insert it in Word, but we need an 11 by 17 paper. What should I do for my next page? Let me close this. No need to save. And let me close this as well. So, what do you think should I do so that I can get an 11 by 17 paper and likewise format it so that it's oriented in a landscape pattern? What should I do to go to the next page? I should insert a
Page.
not just a page but a
Section break.
section break. Very good. So breaks, section break, and notice from here, since this is a different section, it starts again with page number 1, but I don't really need a page number here. I can delete that. My AutoCAD drawing already has sheet number 1, sheet number 1, sheet number 2, right? So, this one will be section 5. This one will be another section. Again, don't confuse section for Word and section for our title, okay? They're both named section, but I'm talking about section break. Now we have section 3 for our Word. We're going to unlink this as well. We're going to unlink this as well, okay? And we're going to change the layout size of this particular page to tabloid. See, you can actually make it use a bigger paper, and then you can even change the orientation to landscape. Okay, so I'm going to say view, one page, or I can say multiple pages so I can see them all. So this is what I have so far. Okay, so I have my cover page, executive summary, table of content. This is section 3. Okay, and then you have your section 2 or section 1 introduction, section 2 architectural feature, section 3 circulation, 4 construction, 5 conclusion. And then my drawing will be here. Okay, so I'm going to insert my PDF drawing. So I'm going to export my drawing from AutoCAD, place it here, and that will actually have its own page numbering, right? Remember A01, A02. But this is now an 11 by 17 paper. So again, notice that this is section 2. This is now section 3. Okay? So for section 3, we'll start with an appendix. We'll start with the title, appendices, and this will be appendix A. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay. Let me zoom it a little bit bigger so you can see. So view, one page. Okay. So that's appendix, appendices. This will be where your drawing is. And this is where I'm going to place my exterior perspective. Okay. So this is the place for my exterior perspective. Okay. Then I'm going to hit Control Enter. This is where I'm going to place my floor plan. Control Enter. This is where I'm going to place my elevations. Control Enter. This is where I'm going to place my section. Control Enter. This is where I'm going to place my interior perspective. Okay. So that's for my appendices. So I have appendices. Then I go back to an 8.5 by 11 paper for my area computation using my Excel spreadsheet. So how do I do that? I'm now going to insert layout, breaks, another section break, bring it back to an 8.5 by 11 paper, orientation, portrait. Okay? And this is where I place my appendix, nope, appendix B. Okay? Area computation, construction cost spreadsheet, and analysis. And finally, I need my last section, appendix C. So I'm going to copy this. This will be my references, control A, control enter, sorry, appendix C. Okay? So save this and you're ready to complete your document. So I'm going just to say this is house 42B, since I did that lecture yesterday. So I'm just going to say this to be my Word document B. Okay? So again, view, multiple views or pages. This is how it looks like now. Okay? So I'm going to place my report, cover page. You may have several pages for your sections. Okay? It doesn't have to be just one page, but minimum one page. You can insert pictures here. Okay? That could be included there. And you're going to place your drawings here using a PDF, insert PDF command. And then you add your Excel computation, area computation, which we're going to do later. I'm going to show you how to do that later in Excel. And then your references. Okay? So, that's it for our Word. You just need to complete this for Saturday next week. Kindly complete the cover page, section 1, 2, and 3. Oh, sorry, I forgot about the table of content. I'll do that in my next lecture.